Scaling a multi-channel brand in 2026 isn't just about selling, it's about data velocity. If you want low-code automation, EasyChannel also has a Zapier integration. But when you need full control and predictable performance, the EasyChannel public API becomes your high-performance REST engine documented with OpenAPI 3. Use it when you're building custom workflows, syncing systems, or powering a product that depends on real-time commerce data. Think about common scenarios: pushing a master catalog from your PIM or ERP into EasyChannel, syncing stock from a 3PL, or routing orders to the right warehouse based on rules. Agencies often use it to build repeatable integrations for multiple client accounts. And technical founders use it to keep everything consistent: pricing, listings, and inventory across marketplaces without manual work. That's the kind of control the API is built for. Let's start with authentication. We support full OAuth 2 flows for apps, but you can also generate a direct API token manually in seconds. Log into your dashboard, go to Settings in the left sidebar, click Integrations, then All Integrations. Scroll to the bottom of the marketplace list, open the API EasyChannel tile, and copy your token. This becomes your bearer token on every request. Your base URL is api.easychannel.com. Include your token in the header. Authorization, bearer, token. If you're building in a staging environment, we also support a local host server on port 3000. Before you do anything big, confirm connectivity using get health live to check uptime, and get/health/ready to confirm the API is ready to handle traffic. Now let's talk about products, because most integrations start with the catalog. With get/v1/products, you can pull paginated lists, filter by specific SKUs, or set with variants equal true to fetch full product families in one call. This is ideal if you're building a catalog sync job, a listing QA tool, or even a BI pipeline that needs clean, structured product data. The response follows a unified schema, including metric dimensions and marketplace identifiers like ASIN and GTIN. When you need to keep data aligned, use post to create products pragmatically or patch for partial updates. For example, you might update titles and attributes from your PIM, while inventory comes from your WMS and pricing comes from your Repricer. This approach helps you avoid spreadsheet drift and keeps one source of truth following into every selling channel. For order workflows, don't rely on polling. Use webhooks to get real-time events like order.created by calling post webhooks subscribe. That means the moment an order happens, you can automatically push it to your ERP, notify a fulfillment partner, trigger an internal Slack alert, or kick off a returns workflow. It's also a strong base for agentic commerce, where automation or AI assistants can react instantly to live inventory and order events. Ready to build? Check the description for links to the API documentation, Swagger UI, and the Zapier integration so you can choose low code or full code based on the job. And if you don't see an endpoint you need, ask us. Our platform is designed to stay flexible, and you can request new endpoints as your integration evolves. Start at api.easychannel.com/docs or explore guides at help.easychannel.com. EasyChannel. Manage here, sell everywhere.